to South Florida Overland, guys.
What's going on, everybody? James Fernandez here, and yep, you guessed it, you're watching this video because we are at it once again. This time, this is actually going to be our last day ride meetup for the season, for the summer season, because the crew and I got to get ready for a trip to tackle the Georgia Traverse in a couple months. So yeah, so here we are at Okaloacoochee Slough State Forest. I probably massacred that name. It's an Indian name. Anyways, we're here. It's very, very easy trails. The hard-packed dirt road. It is absolutely beautiful out here. You got these long leaf pine forest, and it is really, really, really pretty. You got horse trails, hiking trails. You got spaces for RV camping. And you also have dispersed camping out here. So it is a great, great option for when the weather is a little bit better than it is right now, to come out here and camp and explore the area. Anyways, we got 26 rigs showed up to do this ride with us. It is absolutely amazing. The vibe that we've gotten and that we've attracted. Everybody here is just super nice, solid people that want to get out with their off-road vehicles, enjoy nature, and enjoy a little fellowship with like-minded people. That's what we're all about here at South Florida Overlanders. All right, so today I am the passenger princess, as the one and only Deza is driving the LR3 today. And so yeah, stay tuned, stay with us, and let's see what we capture in this beautiful place, the Okaloacoochee Slough State Forest. Again, I'm massacring that. We'll just call it the OK Slough. How about that? The OK Slough. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. All right, I think we're all officially here, and whoever's running late, they could meet us down the trail. All right, so before we get officially, the plan is we're going to do some quick introductions here. We're going to do a raffle. We're going to raffle a couple items out, and then we're going to just explore the trails here. Around 12:30, 1 o'clock, we'll take over one of the larger campsites. We'll kind of park the rigs close to each other and start hanging out, cooking up not breakfast, lunch, brunch. All right, Gus.
Yeah, man. So once again, thank you for joining us here, and we have a couple giveaways to give you guys. Did I get everybody's name? I think I got everybody's name. All right. If you're not here, say I'm not here.
Right. All right, so let's do the first giveaway. All right, the first one, this is courtesy of Gus and I, is a first aid kit. Essential gear when we're off-roading, right? You never know what could go wrong. A mosquito bites you, you need a Band-Aid for the boo-boo. We're gonna have some in here.
All right.
All right, here we go.
Choose name. Daniel.
Daniel.
There he is.
Hey. There you go. Turn around, face the camera there. Hello. Tool bag, courtesy of Boss Overland, Mr. Tico over here. It's a pretty cool tool bag. I like it.
Kai. K-A-I.
Kai. Ah. There you go. You got your first tool bag. You're very well.
I need some cool to put in there.
Yeah. So this is courtesy of Soul Roads, Florida. Tony and Heidi over here. Got some stickers and a recovery kit, looks like, right?
Well, it's a survival, some survival supplies, like maybe for a bug out bag or in your car. It has a fold out solar charger. It has a laser. And
It's in essence a sophisticated heat beam, which we called a laser.
like a survival jacket, survival blanket, some food, some...
Yeah, it's very nice. It has, okay, emergency sleeping bag, hurricane-proof matches, emergency survivor jacket, a ready water filter, emergency food rations, a surcharge supernova solar panel, and a light defender laser. Freaking lasers.
Now you all, they donated this, but you all have to subscribe to their channel.
Yes.
Everybody.
So Soul Roads Florida is their their channel, and their IG is also Soul Roads Florida. All right, next. Here we go.
Becky. Becky's the winner.
Becky. Hey. All right, and the final giveaway, courtesy of Gus GP Overland and SOFLO Overlander. We got a soft shackle kit with a ring. All right, let's do it.
All right, here we go. David.
So, all right, let's do it. Let's hit some trails. This is the retired firefighter section. This is award-winning coffee here.
Seriously, I mean, I feel like I'm in the presence of a movie star, and now I'm actually allowed to drink his coffee. Whose birthday?
James.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear James. Happy birthday to you.
Got faulty candles.
Hey, that's revenge for the fire you set earlier.
Nice. Hey, Gabriel. You enjoying this?
Yeah, super fun. Having a nice day. Meet a lot of beautiful people. Having some fun. And enjoying the weather and enjoying beautiful Florida.
Nice. And what is your car?
Yeah, I'm up there.
Okay, how many cars do you think we have here?
Right now? Can we work 10, 15?
Yeah, and this morning was like 27.
25, 20,
27.
27, something like that.
Hey ladies, are you enjoying the trip?
I'm loving it.
Yeah.
Second of it.
Cool, cool. You're so cute. You're so. Hey, that's
AKA Mr. Grenadier to all of you.
I was told that one a long time ago. I never fact checked.